How to remove my Facebook account from other devices. First of all, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're already logged into your account. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right with 3-line icon. Here, again tap on the gear icon. That's gonna take you to settings in privacy. So once you're here, tap on the Meta account settings at the top. Here, scroll down a bit and under account settings, tap on password and security. Here again, scroll down and there you have to tap on where you're logged in. Now, select your Facebook account. So on this page, you will see a list of devices and location where your account is currently logged in. After that, tap on the 3 dots next to the device that you want to log out, then select log out. Scroll to the bottom and select log out of all options if you want to log out of all devices. And with that, your account will be logged out from other devices. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.